Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. The crypto market seems to have started quite friendly into the new crypto week, into the new trading week. ADA is currently trying to break out above this trend line that we have here on the chart here. But this is all still, as you can see, within the previously defined range anyway. So there's nothing too exciting going on there. However, if things go well from a breakout point of view, it could first of all lead, and I zoom in now a little bit, it could first of all lead to a test of these previous swing highs. Let me just pick the rectangle here. So this area here basically, which could act as initial structural resistance area. So it's sort of between 46.5 cents to 47.8 cents. There's a bit of a resistance area there, and if we could actually stretch it to the left, you see, maybe we can actually increase that a bit, but that's sort of roughly what we're looking at as resistance. Getting above it would likely lead to a test of the upper green line, basically a breakout line. That's at 52.2 cents, a level I've been mentioning for many, well, you could say weeks actually now, because this is the swing high that was formed in April and really needs to be broken in order to really favor a directly more bullish scenario and outlook as per our Elliott wave structure. At the moment, the chart, as long as it's in the range, as long as the price is moving in this range between the red and the green lines, yeah, there isn't really anything that is changing the structure as such. And the market is still moving in what could be an Elliott wave triangle as per the white count, or some kind of a range. So generally anything that happens within these range boundary lines is sort of meaningless to a degree, okay, because it is just literally noise. For range traders, that's, a paradise at the moment. It's just like fantastic. But obviously it's not so exciting from a trend point of view, because these corrective phases, they usually do not lead to progress in the chart. It's just sort of correcting the previous movement. And what we're looking at here is, at the moment, the white count. Okay, I shared that with you and highlighted that it's definitely something we need to consider. That would be further confirmed with a break below the red line at 41.9 cents. In this white count, we have a triangle pattern, and I highlighted to you yesterday that to keep this one alive, the price needs to form one more lower high in wave E before breaking out to the downside. And we've seen now this reaction. And basically with that small reversal that we've seen, that reaction down there to that support area here, these previous swing lows, it keeps the triangle potential alive. We have an A wave, we have a B wave, a C wave, this could be wave D. That's the micro count I presented to you yesterday for this triangle. And basically the market turned exactly where the triangle count suggested it, close to the previous lows. That doesn't mean this has to be the E wave. It could, for example, be that this is just an extended C. Therefore, I said this 52.2 cent level is important, because we could simply get an extension of the triangle. So again, the triangle count could easily extend as long as we are in the range. Important is just this kind of breakout to the downside at 41.9 cents. If we break above that red resistance zone we defined in the beginning, we at least know that the triangle is going to extend, and we might still be working on the C wave. And the break above the green line, only that 52.2 cents will allow me to favor more directly bullish scenarios. If we get another low, then the support is likely down there to be found between 36 and 38 cents. And then we can attempt another reversal from that region down there. If we get a break to the upside, then we can explore the orange count, but it would only be a diagonal pattern, and I would need to see 5 waves to round about 64.5 cents to really keep it a very likely scenario. Or yeah, let's say to confirm that we've bottomed, I need to see 5 waves to round about 65 cents, because anything below that, especially if the rally is only in 3 waves, it can always fail after 3 waves. So important is, I think, to highlight that that we're now in a larger reversal zone. Yep, it allows for one more low. Ideally, I don't want to see more than one more low. And I'm talking about that 5th wave there to the downside in the white count. That is sort of what I think is still acceptable. Anything below that will already be, I think, quite deep for a correction. So ideally, if there is one more low, we just get into that white target zone there between 36 and 38 cents. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.